we are near Almeria at the moment. The location here is amazing. Went out for like a little walk at the beach yesterday. Went to the shop as well. There's like a little supermarket, Sarah's supermarket. And we got mayonnaise as well. We're gonna go to a beach nearby, which Gareth discovered this morning. And it's a sandy beach with loads of doggies and a few people. Just how we love it. See you later. Get in the bag. Get in the bag. That's amazing. Oh, to be a kid again. Girl, don't film me. So we're finally off to a well-deserved dinner, and it's like 6:10, so I think we're gonna be the only people there because all of the Spanish tend to eat at like, I don't know, 8 or 9 o'clock. Interesting.
With your powers combined, I am Captain Planet.
Right, so Gareth and me can't get any food here because they don't serve food before 8 o'clock, which means we'll just go back to the shop, get some grub, go home, cook something up, and then we're gonna take the doggies out to the beach just around the corner, maybe watch some Don't Tell the Bride.
Oh, really?
Gareth's favorite program.
Yeah,
I can't stand it, I just watch it because of him.
The only shop. Don't worry, Elise, we've got lots of chickpeas and beans at home. Lentils. All right. Hello, little man. Oh, he's very angry. So we're just chilling on the bench outside our flat.
I finished my vlog.
Vlog's finished.
Yay.
Second one. Dogs are chilling with us.
It's really dark in the flat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really
Every
dark.
time we walk out here, we're just like
Squinting like cave bats.
yeah. We also tried to go to the shop a second ago, and the shop's closed again.
So all we've got is chickpeas and beans.
And a bit of caviar. We're gonna wait till 8 o'clock and then walk to the restaurant again, and hopefully they're gonna serve us food then, because we actually don't want to eat any more chickpeas and beans for the 3rd day in a row.
Oh God, Mozart's gone. It's like a showdown, Western showdown.
It's gonna run off again.
That's our car, Mo.
It's gonna run off again.
Oh God, now I've got to get him.
Carb on carb.
This is called a chip pie. Actually, it's a traditional English delicacy.
But,
I wouldn't expect you to understand.
well, where's the goddamn mayo?
Well,
As it turns out, everyone's left. So we're the only people left over. Because seems like the chef's forgotten about our dinner. Yay! Back to life, back to real life, back to life. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade.
cheeky ice cream. I'm doing my training tomorrow.
What are these weights for?
That way, because you are very fat, we need.
Can you maybe say soy Pablo Escobar?
Soy Pablo Escobar.
What do you want me to?
Explain. You nearly what?
Threw up in the sea.
You didn't know, right? But you enjoyed it.
Yep. I saw some fish, I saw corals, I saw lots of water.
Starfish? You didn't see a starfish? Oh, I saw starfish.
There was only like underwater for like 10 minutes.
How did you find it though? Getting in the sea, that was quite fun, wasn't it? Wobbling around like drunk people.
I was wobbling around the entire time, to be honest, even underwater. We're now on our way to a really cool place. It's really beautiful. It's like an old farmhouse, but a tragedy occurred back in the
1800s.
1800s.
1820, I think.
1820 or whatever. The landlord of the place, he left the farmhouse and then
The dude that was left got married to a woman. There was like some murder or something. They killed each other during the wedding or something like that. It's known as the crime of Nija.
the crime of Nija. Beautiful. The building that we've come to see is really stunning as well, but unfortunately there's a fence all around it, so you can't really go and have a proper look or go inside even. We're just gonna have a little walk with the doggies and see what's going on here. Sunday, and Gareth and me were going to go to a Wild Wild West kind of theme park today, but we did read online that they've got a zoo there as well, and the animals are kept in really like shitty conditions. So rather than going somewhere else, we did actually go to yet another beach today. But this one honestly so far is the best, I think. It's really secluded. We took like an hour and a half to get here by car and by foot. And there's barely anyone around. Just gonna stay here for a few hours now, have something to eat, and maybe even go in the water. Today is Tuesday. Tonight we're gonna go back to our little paradise beach, which we've been to on Sunday as well. And we're gonna do some footage with the drone. Hopefully, if the weather holds up, it'll be very hard to beat this place, to be honest.
Come on, Lise, you were the life and soul of the party on the way back.
Just feeling quiet besides myself.
No, that's Daisy. She's the one beside you. Good one, Dad.